got us some thunder boomers happening here. This is just south of Milwaukee. Just south. Maybe we can get a couple of the glimpses of the see it coming down. My window's all fogged up. We just missed the lightning shot. Man. There we go. There we go. And my friend Jerry said, hang on to your boots. Remind you guys, I don't have TV and I don't have NOAA weather in here. All I got is what's on my phone. So if you guys hear of anything coming down in this area that I might be at, I'd appreciate maybe a little text. We don't want the trucker, jukebox, Pooh Bear, and Jake Break wiped off this planet, right?